I would like to begin the discussion asking a few questions to Akshata first. Please, Akshata, go for your answers. We would like to know, Akshata, more about you, who you are, and what do you do. Tell us something about yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Please giving this opportunity. And my name is Akshata. I am from Vijaypur, and I have completed science, and now I currently pursuing LLB at KSLU Law University. And my family is my strength. And whenever I
Hmm.
faced many problems, they support to me.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay, fine. So you said that you have done your PUC
Yes,
intermediate in science and now
yes,
you are doing
LLB.
LLB.
Yes.
So what's the connection? I couldn't understand that.
So my parents thought like I want to become a doctor, but I that field. I
No,
don't
don't
have.
say I'm not interested.
Okay, sir. I don't interest in that field, sir. I more interest in law subject, and I want to become an advocate.
Hmm.
Uh, so I choose LLB, sir.
You chose LLB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are doing 3 years LLB? 5 years might be.
5 years LLB,
Five
sir.
years from
KSLU Law University.
KSLU Law
Yes,
University.
sir.
Right. Now you are studying in
Second year.
second year.
Yes.
Which semester?
Third semester.
Second year, third semester you are
Yes, sir.
studying in. Okay. So what is your point of view as an advocate? Would you like to rather practice in district court, high court, or Supreme Court?
High Court, sir.
Please tell us the reason.
So because now currently I am studying in LLB, sir. Along with I practice in district court, sir. Then after completion of 5 years LLB, then I will practice in high court, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now you are practicing in district court
Yes,
along with your
yes,
bachelor's, LLB degree.
yes, sir.
In district
District
court
court
you are
and
practicing.
high court, both, sir.
But today you didn't go there
No, sir.
to the court.
No, sir.
Do you frequently go to the court or what's your schedule?
In our college, sir, we completed 1 year. Then we practice session is there, sir.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
We must do
You go
that
for hearing there,
practice. Huh, yes,
right? To gain experience.
yes, sir, yes.
Okay.
That's why
And
we,
you hear advocates debating on, right?
yes, sir.
For hearing session, and you
Huh,
guys are allowed.
huh.
If you have ID card, you are allowed to attend the hearing sessions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, law
And
students.
that time we write, sir,
Hmm.
what they are discussing, what they are arguing with
Hmm.
both of them, and how judge uh, give judgment. We write, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. How many times you have attended for hearing in court?
So 50 more than 50 days.
More than 50 times now, by now,
Yes,
in just 1 year.
yes.
That means you go regularly.
But I have a college, sir.
No, no. Still college, along with college, you visit court daily.
No, sir. Now holidays are.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, got to know that you want to become an advocate. And what do you think? Like, what is advocate to the society?
So why I want to become an advocate? Because I want to wear black coats.
You can purchase it from the
No,
market.
sir. No, sir. I want to wear.
You want to wear the honor, not the black coat. You want to wear the title.
Yes, sir.
Black coat can be purchased from the market, but honor and title cannot be purchased.
I want title and respect in society, sir. And I want to change the society.
Like,
And in nowadays, before our generation, girls are never go to school, and they
girls would never go to schools.
girls would never go to school, and nowadays they some peoples are going to school, but in village and town are there, uh, some girls are not going to the school. They
Hmm.
completed 10th class, and then they get married. So,
Hmm.
so I want to
What would you
rec-
What would you do with them? Do you stop them not to get married, or you bring some
no, sir.
law?
They completed their education, then they will get married.
Okay, you said that you would attempt to change the society. Like you want to stop girls getting married immediately after 10th standard.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what changes you want
Yes,
to.
sir.
Then you would become social reformer, not advocate.
No, sir. An advocate is my fashion, sir,
Hmm.
and that is my goals, aim.
Hmm. Okay, fine. So yeah, great vision you are having in life. Hope you, but let's see how much changes you will bring to the society. Make sure be stick to your words,
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
not just uh, at the at the moment the situation making me talk. No, I said you to talk from the bottom of heart and
Yes,
express everything. If you have decided to make some kind of changes in the sector of society, then that should be done. That should be done. You should follow your
that's why, sir, I rejected my parents' suggestion and I choose
to
my.
become doctor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So hope I would meet you when you would bring some changes to the society.
Definitely, sir.
Definitely, I'll be inviting you for our institute's
Okay,
programs
sir.
as a chief guest. Thank you, Akshata. Nice talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my further questions would move towards Lakshmi Madam. Lakshmi Madam, please tell us something about yourself.
Namaste, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Myself, Lakshmi Jambgi, from Dabkavi. My graduation MA BEd and my experience professor, lecturer as a high school teacher, 15 years. So my friends told me, already my friends government teachers, high school teachers, then primary teachers, not a lecturer.
Hmm.
My goal is a good communication with English and professor in
Economic subject.
economic subject. Some days uh, I'm a Kannada medium students. I will teach you,
Hmm.
but I expected more English medium student give the my experience,
Hmm.
my thoughts, my subject explanation.
Hmm.
So I become a good professor in
Hmm.
economic subject.
Okay, wow, nice. And already you are you teach economic subject for
Economic subject.
last 15 years.
15 years.
You are having 15 years of experience teaching economic subject.
Yes, sir.
To which standard of students? High school, high school,
High school students,
QC.
8th, 9th, 10th, I will teach social science.
Hmm.
And first PUC, second PUC, BA 1, 2, 3, and BCom,
Hmm.
economic subject.
Okay, fine. So now, why did you decide to teach in English? Earlier, you used to teach in Kannada medium, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you decided to teach in English.
English.
So before I ask this question, why do you teach in English? I would like to ask, yeah, are you really improving in your English? Because the first day I remember when you had come here, you were totally blank. You are not speaking E of English. At least now also the same situations, but you are trying. At
Yes, sir.
least you are framing words one after the other, though you are trying very best. So what do you say for it?
First of all, sir, you will not believe me. My friends WhatsApp message my phone, English messages.
Huh.
I'm not realize that message.
You
Then,
don't understand.
I don't understand. This message forward to Google, translate Kannada, English to Kannada. So many times Kannada I can understand. Then repeat the message. So that's time I will confidently I'm learn English gradually day by day.
Huh.
I learning English.
Okay. So have you seen? It's been a while that you have joined Skill Motive. Have you seen any kind of changes within your speaking?
Yes, sir. Really, I can change, sir. First of all, I don't English. I don't English understand, sir. 4 to 5 days your class attend. I'm blank, sir. Already my teachers teach English explanation, English speaking, Kannada explanation.
Hmm.
That's time English to English explanation.
Hmm.
First time I'm learn this institute, sir.
Hmm.
So still I'm happy, sir.
You are happy with
Yes.
attending our classes,
Yes, sir.
right? Yeah. I just want to know. For it's been how many days you are coming here?
Minimum 10 to 12 days.
12, 10 to 12 days.
Yes, sir.
And before 10 to 12 days, were you at least speaking what you are speaking now?
No, sir. One word I will not tell, sir. Today I will tell,
Now
sir.
you are answering it in English. Yeah, that's what the amazing learning attitude that you have. And it's not just because of you are attending our classes, it's because of regularly you are practicing, regularly you are trying, you are speaking, you are following the instructions that I have given.
Yes, sir.
Just because of that, you are with the dedication you are practicing. I'm very happy with that, because I challenged that day when you had visited our institute once,
Yes.
that I would make you definitely speak in English. Just give me chance of 1 week and you'd start speaking, and not best but started.
Yes,
And you should be happy with these changes.
yes, sir.
Gradually this change will shift to next level, and you will gradually improve your communication, your English, your teaching skills in English. That all will be possible, but when you try, and you are trying well. So congratulations
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
first step taking ahead
Thank you,
for
sir.
learning it at the moment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to interacting with you. Yes, Saraswati madam, please tell us something about yourself.
I am Saraswati.
Huh.
I am completed in MCOM in JSS College,
Okay.
and I teaching only 1 year, only PUC students, and next I go to become degree student. I teach.
Hmm.
So Akshata told remove the child marriage.
Akshata said that, yeah, child marriage should be banned. Hmm.
So I marriage also after 10th.
After 10th, you got
10th.
married. Hmm.
So I married in 13 years.
Hmm.
13 years. My husband tell I help you for your learning.
Hmm.
You I want condition. You any PUC or degree or PG only ranking holder.
Hmm.
So I got in KUD second rank in MCOM first year,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and then JS is also in
You said first rank in,
second rank is
second rank in
first year.
first class.
First years,
Which first year?
second semester.
Second semester of which degree?
MCOMs.
MCOM. Okay.
So JSS principal sir in Ajit Prasad sir. So sir told in this college in your teaching in PUC first year, and 1 year I teaching, but next year my health problem. So
Okay. Okay. What is your last qualification that you have done? You have completed your MCOM. MCOM. And you are also a teacher. You, which subject do you teach?
accountancy and business studies,
Accountancy and business
Business
studies, but in Kannada.
Kannada and English sir.
Kannada and English. Okay. But you are managing yourself to interact good.
Sir, and next I preparing the bank exams. I also I also coaching in Bankers Adda and JSS College in Vidagiri.
Hmm.
So no any I am not write in any exams in banks.
Hmm.
I go in lecturing
Teaching
Teach.
only.
teaching.
Okay. Fine. So nice talking to you, three of you. Thank you so much. Take care.